I'll start the salad by making the dressing and marinade. The dressing is simple: salt, pepper, vinegar, and a bit of oil. Then there's the marinade for the lettuce, made by mixing the other half of the oil, salt, and pepper. It helps the lettuce to not dry out into a crisp while it's grilling. After coating the lettuce, grill the heads for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until grill marks appear. After the lettuce cools, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Do the same with the fresh herbs, but if the leaves are small enough, you don't have to cut them. Then mix all of this in a bowl. I think this salad is best served cold. It helps the fresh flavors of the herbs pop and is a nice contrast to the meaty casserole.